making some ribs and corn on the cob, y'all, today for us to eat on. So, do y'all cook y'all corn on the cob in the crock pot? Using this honey bullseye everyday honey barbecue on these ribs, y'all. On these ribs, let's see her. I used to have a brush. I don't know where the brush is. I used to have a brush. I don't know where it is right now. Let y'all see what how it look. That's what it look like. Yeah, so let's see here. Oh boy. Y'all, I have been going through it just like a lot of people been going through it. I ain't been feeling like posting. You know, because I try to be real. I don't try to be fake. I don't try to be scripted. Like, for real. Like, I try to be me all day long and in between. And I just been going through some things. Like I told you, I've been mourning some relationship losses in my life. Not by, like, life or deceased. I'm talking about, like, what I thought was and ain't no more. If that makes sense. And, I'm going to do the top with honey. Then do the bottom with original. So I'm going to cook the top of the ribs in the honey barbecue, and then I'm going to turn it over. I probably should have started cooking this yesterday. But, like I said, I wanted to cook because I've been in a funk. I ain't cooked in God knows, I don't know how long. And I just want to show my children that I love them. Like, my children really showed out for me yesterday. I don't know what I thought. I just, like, I know they was trying to do something nice for me. And I told them they didn't have to do nothing nice, but they did. And it made me feel so good, y'all. And don't y'all know, I went to bed yesterday when I got back. Meet with my mama. I went to bed and slept till 12. I went to bed around, let me see, what time did I go to bed? I went to bed around, let me see, what time did I go to bed? That's a good question. I think I went to bed about 5 or 6 yesterday. And didn't wake up to 12. I mean, didn't wake up to 12. And I only woke up because I had to go to the bathroom. I woke up. I had some food left over from the restaurant. I warmed it up and I ate it. My son was like, "Well, what you doing?" Because I don't eat past a certain time. And I'm like, I'm hungry. And that's what I did. And then I went to sleep. Went back to sleep. And then overslept to take the kids to school. You gotta try these. These right here. I got them at the liquidation store. There's a big old bag of them too. I don't know if I made a video on Facebook. I don't know if I showed y'all on TikTok, but I love going to the liquidation stores. If you got little kids, they love goldfish. Look at this. I can see that. Can y'all see it? I've got 2 bags. The kids like the other bag already. These things are bomb.com. And y'all know I'm just like a little kid. I gotta put stuff in a Ziploc bag. Ain't that something? I gotta put stuff in a Ziploc bag, y'all. I found these at the liquidation store. I thought they were so cute. I don't pack my kids' lunches no more. Look at this. Look at it. Got a little. Look at that. Ain't that cute? Put a little stacks in and stuff. But I got that at the liquidation store. I probably paid 25 cents for it. But I'm gonna pour these in here and nibble on these because I am hungry. I don't think I ate breakfast this morning, to be honest with you. I've just been trying to drink water because I am bloated and I've been trying to cut down. Look at this. Look at my stomach, y'all. Look at my stomach. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me show you. Look at that. Look, that's bloated. I am bloated. So, I gotta fix that. I ate me an orange. These aren't the oranges I had got at Food Line. They were a whole lot better. I got these at Compare Foods. They wasn't that good. I mean, it was good, but they was juicy. They didn't taste good. That makes sense. You ever had orange juice that was unsweetened orange juice? I guess unsweet. I don't know if you can say it's unsweet, but it's what it tastes like. So, yeah, I was in a funk, y'all. I didn't feel like I gotta go get my water. I was in a funk. I didn't feel like creating content. That's why I kind of slowed down. But I came on here to ask y'all, did y'all want me to, I don't know if I want me to or not, but talk about real stuff, like trying to see if they started calling yet. No, they ain't started dialing yet neither. My kids showed out so sweet. Let me show y'all these cash stuff envelopes all over the place. My cash stuff envelopes finally came. On my other account, my TikTok shop, I promote these on my other account, Life of Nikki D. These, and I got this black one, this pink one, this purple one, and of course this is the one I got at the liquidation store. I think I got it for free, and I got the bed sheets. I got them for $5. I need to go back to the liquidation store too, but if I'm trying to save money, I can't spend money. You know what I'm saying? Like, for real. But yeah, I want to show y'all that. Y'all have a difficult time trying to save money. Them things is the bomb. That's why they've been blowing up. They even got me. Look, TikTok got me. Let people be saying that slogan. TikTok got me. That's the truth. TikTok got me, y'all. They got me. They go to mail, man. I don't know if any checks in there. Should go check and see. Get tired of seeing it's only bills. Not only bills. But like I was saying, if y'all want to send me emails about stuff we discuss, and y'all want to hear my point of view, hear other people's point of view, comment down below. I think that'd be a great thing to do. Cause I'm like, oh, a red bird. My grandma used to always love to see red birds. That used to always make her happy. Oh, a red bird. They ain't really that uncommon, but I guess, you know, like I said, she grew up slavery. Her mama grew up slavery. Her mama grew up slavery. So, some things they think about that might be meaningful things to them. And I don't just say that to be thrown at, but if you're from the South, you understand, like, certain way our grandparents were, it's because of how they were raised, and their parents were raised. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, let me know if y'all want to send me an email about different things to talk about on here. I'm just going through it right now. I know I'm not the only one. And people are so opinionated and so mean that you can't even get into details sometimes about stuff. People are damn mean. People are so mean. Yeah, well, that's all I have for y'all today. Well, right now, anyway. Don't come on my mind. I think about sharing with y'all other people. Yeah, get y'all some goldfish. Shop at liquidation stores. They have great buys in there. Save you some money, y'all. You still can have nice things. You still can have Ziploc bags. You ain't got to wash them out unless you want to wash them out. You can have nice things. You just got to shop and find things that cost, you know, not as much as they are in the big stores. Because they gotta account for people stealing stuff. Lost inventory. So they gotta make the prices be the prices. But you could be a smart shopper, right?